We are going to talk about dimensional analysis, and I'm going to explain a problem first. So let's see example 1. Alright, a golfer putted a golf ball .8 feet across a green. How many inches does this represent? Now we are converting in this case feet to inches. Alright, so there will be one more piece of information will be given it to you. So let's say 1 feet equals to 12 inches. Okay, that's the thing. Now we are going to write unit factors. There will be 2 unit factors. First we need to write unit factors, and then I will explain how do we use those unit factors. We can say 1 feet on the top and 12 inch and 12 inch on the top and 1 feet. Alright, 1 foot. Okay, now there are some steps. Okay, here we have given 6.8 foot and we need to convert into inches. So I'm going to write this side 6.8 foot. Okay, so this foot is given and we need to convert into inches. So we are going to multiply by one of these factors. Now the question is which unit factor we will use it. Now you can see this is given unit. So we select the factor out of these 2 unit factor. We select the factor that has a feet at the bottom. Why? So we can cancel and we get the unit inch on the top. Right? So for that we select this unit factor and multiply here 12 inch and 1 feet. Now when you do that, remember why we select it? We want to cancel it and then we will do mathematical operation. When we do mathematical operation, 6.8 times 12, and remember what's the unit we want? Inch, and that's what we have it on the top. Right? So that's where you can calculate and convert into inches. What I calculate, 6.8 times 12. What do you guys calculate? 81.6 inches. Now remember, in multiplication and division rule, which one has the least significant figures? There are 2 significant figures, right? So that means we can say our answer is 82 inches. Okay, so what we did in this one, there are some steps for dimensional analysis. So I'm going to write those steps for dimensional analysis. What we do first? To convert from 1 unit to another. Okay, let me select the dark one. Use equivalence statement. Equivalence statement that relates the two units. Remember, in the previous example, what was that? 1 foot equals 12 inches. We use this one first, right? That equivalent statement. Usually, most of the time, it will given it to you in an exam. Now, once this is given, what you do next? Derive the appropriate unit factor.